Yo, I honestly think that, you know what I'm saying, the whole mood, the whole momentum for the Air Jordan 1 is totally different now. And I feel like that's what Jordan Brand's upcoming Air Jordan 1 colorways. I think they're just phenomenal. I think they're in a step in the right direction, like I said, in one of my most recent videos. And I really love what Jordan Brand is doing right now for the Jordan 1 model. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into yet another video, man. It's always greatly appreciated if you guys will pull up to the videos. And right now I need everybody to do, man, is go ahead and hit that like button right now for your boy, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for your boy so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. And I'm telling y'all, these next two videos y'all see, y'all gonna be pretty excited, because I'm excited to see these two early pairs in hand myself. I can't wait to get them. So like I said, you guys stay tuned by subbing right now, hit notification bell. I got some bangers on the way, man. All right, man, yesterday we showed the Air Jordan 1 Palomino, which are releasing September the 2nd. And this one right here speaks for itself. I feel like you get that mocha on an Air Jordan 1, it's pretty much a hit every single time. And I think that Jordan Brand went back in the archives. It was like, yo, what do we do? You know what I'm saying? To kind of spark that love, that excitement for Jordan 1s. They gave us the Travis Scott Mocha ones, and then following on the years, we got more Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s, but we got a Mocha Air Jordan 1 a couple of years back that kind of resembled, you know, that Travis Scott themed Air Jordan 1. And now you fast forward to 2023, and you get something like this right here. And like I said, I definitely think Jordan Brand is going in the right direction. I really love this colorway. You guys will see a full in-depth review and on feet over the Palomino Air Jordan 1. I think maybe a little bit closer to the actual release date, but I definitely think these are up there as far as Air Jordan 1 of the year. I'm not gonna say, you know, as far as much as saying it's a sneaker of the year, but definitely one of the best Air Jordan 1s to drop in 2023. And I know we're kind of early on in the year, but the only other Air Jordan 1 that I think is in competition with these Palominos is the UNC toes. And depending on how that release goes, that's going to pretty much sum up which one of the two is better for me. It's all my honest opinion. It's not the majority of the people, but you guys can go ahead and comment down below what you think about, you know what I'm saying, Air Jordan 1 Palomino versus UNC toe, or do you think the Spider-Verse Next Chapter Air Jordan 1s are number one of the year? I can't wait to see you guys' thoughts and opinions. All right, man, and then moving closer to a release that we will be getting here within a couple of days, actually. If you have not reserved these on Flex, on Dick's Sporting Goods, Hibbett Sports, all that good stuff, make sure you do it today. I think today is the last day for Hibbett's, and I think tomorrow, Thursday, is the last day for Flex app. So you guys go ahead and enter ASAP. Another one of those colorways I think Jordan Brand killed. The quality, the colorway, and it's a lot of names getting floating around for these Air Jordan 1s right here. I'm hearing smoke gray, I'm hearing black heritages, I'm hearing washed heritages, and then you go on to the sneakers app and it literally say black and smoke gray. So I don't know what the official name is for these, but I'm just gonna run with what I heard first. The black heritages right here, man. Hopefully Jordan Brand got some other tricks up their sleeve for, you know, later on down the year. I haven't really seen any other Air Jordan 1 that's, you know, up there as far as talks of being the best one besides the UNC toes. You would think that your boy Da Vinci had them early. It's only GS sizes going out right now that's actually authentic, and I have not seen any, you know, men's pairs yet. But as soon as I do get word that I can get a pair of the UNC toes, I would definitely try to grab them things, get you guys' thoughts and opinions over an upcoming Air Jordan 1 release that happens to drop on my birthday, July 8th. So you already know, man, your boy gotta have it, and hopefully I can have it before the actual release date to show you guys, get you guys' thoughts and opinions over what Jordan Brand bringing for us. And real quick, while I got everybody right here watching today's video, I want you guys to let me know which one you're rocking out with more. Like I said, we got the Air Jordan 1 Smoke Gray, and then we have the Air Jordan 1 Palomino, aka the Mocha 2.0. And I want you guys to give me your thoughts and opinions on which one you're rocking out with more. I definitely think that this one right here might get slept on just a little bit. It's because we still are in that, like, you know, Jordan 1 slump where people ain't really buying them. I know some people use the excuse that it's a lot of colorways coming out, but in June, there's really not much coming out. So you can spin that and say these might sell out instantly just because we're not getting that many Jordan releases this month. Like, it's really a dry month. I seen a homie even talk about it on this video. Is not a lot of stuff dropping this month. So it's best for you, you know what I'm saying, grab some of them, you know, Grail sneakers, some sneakers you missed out on previously. And of course, one of the talks of the month being the Air Jordan 1 smoke grays right here. Super dope, I'm telling y'all. I know a lot of you guys probably don't have them in hand right now, so you can't get a real good, you know what I'm saying, assessment of the sneaker. You don't know how you're gonna feel it. Just trust your boy to vend. I'm telling y'all, these right here are cool. I'm not trying to hype them up, nothing like that. It's not a must-have, but it's definitely a solid Air Jordan 1 colorway. And then the Palominos, I'm telling y'all, like I said yesterday's video, these are definitely going to be a problem. It's a mocha colorway on the Air Jordan 1. You can't miss. It's a non-miss for Jordan Brand. So every time they do throw it, you know, a mocha on the Air Jordan 1, I think it's definitely gonna sell out just because of the prelude years, man. We got the Travis Scott mochas, bruh. So anytime they throw mocha on the Air Jordan 1, I definitely think it's gonna be a problem. Might sell out instantly, and I definitely think the resale definitely gonna translate. Sound how hyped up and how much wanted these joints are. So yeah, man, we are definitely heating up for Jordan 1s this year. I was even thinking about even dropping a video talking about what's the best ones to drop so far, but I definitely think it's a little bit too early. Maybe have to wait till we get the UNC toes. I gotta get them joints in hand just to see, you know what I'm saying, how them joints hitting for. Like I said in one of my videos before, I didn't think I would like them that much. Like I didn't think I would like them more than the Palominos or the smoke grays, just because we got so many UNC Air Jordan 1s that drop like back to back. We got the University Blue Air Jordan 1, and then we got the Air Jordan 1, like I forget the other one, but we got two back to back. And I was like, bruh, y'all dropping another one, a UNC toe, a year and a half later. So I didn't think I would like it as much, but I can't say that yet because I don't have a pair in hand. And I've been saving this one right here for a while, man. I didn't want to do a whole video about this one, but I did get a crazy steal on the Nike app. And I was like, bro, I cannot pass up on it. This one is inspired by the greatest player ever. You heard it. You guys heard it, man. Y'all see, bro. Got LeBron on the box. I know every time I say he the greatest, I always get somebody in the comment section go crazy. But let's go ahead and check these bad boys out. Got these for $100. I think like 97 actually. Let's see what we got here, man. Check them out, bro. Woo! $100 steal. I had to have these beauties. I know a lot of people, you know what I'm saying, ain't gonna tap into a video of me unboxing a pair of bronze. So I was like, why not just throw it in this video? I think these are the LeBron 2s. So these are the Zoom LeBron 2s. You guys know we got the LeBron Zoom 1s, which we have right there. Check them out. But I had to get a pair of 2s, man. The next I got to get a pair of 3s, and then so on and so forth. But hopefully they drop some more crazy colorways. Some of the ones they scrapped, put in the archive, because your boy definitely want to start adding more LeBrons to the sneaker collection. But here you guys have it. One of these little sleeper unboxing vids I want to throw into this video. You guys see it, man. Got these for $97 too, which is a crazy steal. So I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video, man. Make sure you guys drop all your thoughts, comments, and opinions down below in the comment section. I always said, everybody comes and watch the videos. Like, go down below in the comment section to see what everybody else is feeling about a certain sneaker, a certain topic. So feel free to drop all your comments, thoughts, and opinions down below. You guys know I respond to every single one. It's greatly appreciated, man. Subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we ever drop on the channel. Like I said, these next couple of videos, I might not drop them back to back, but I got 2 early heaters, and I'm excited to see them. So I know you guys are definitely gonna be excited when I do that unboxing, so you guys can check out what Jordan Brand got cooking up for us. Again, man, I appreciate all of the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.